What we did here was we tested this condenser mic and this little Jensen psychic radio, okay? We played a little recording on our cell phone with a little tiny speaker. And we wanted to see, we left it in that position just a few minutes ago. We're also conducting psychic, spiritual tests here on a really quiet Sunday, okay? And I call myself having the ability to hear voices and know things that are spiritual and psychic. So anyway, it's a fact, but not everyone may pertain to it. I went down that hall and stepped different feet while playing a small video. And what I want you to see is that we are testing this radio. See, just with this little tiny speaker can pick up in this Jensen psychic radio. That's a one. 12 feet away. 20 feet. It was listening. You could listen to the radio all the way up. Little tiny speaker, a good 20, 25, 30 feet away. Okay? And it picked it up with the microphone pointing in the opposite direction all the way down that hall. It picked it up the entire time. Okay? I backed straight into the door. It's locked. They said, it is a magnetic speaker. Okay? It also produces airwaves. It's called sound. But you can take a shift register that has no microphone hooked up to it whatsoever, and I already made the video. And you can induce a cell phone speaker into a shift register that just has a copper wire attached to a couple of the input outputs that trigger the sound frequency from the speaker of a cell phone and formulate it into LED flashes. Hook the LEDs up to the output of I think it's a 16-pin shift register, and it will actually oscillate the sound frequency in linear fashion based on the power and the volume frequency of the sound and magnetics in the form of a strip of LEDs that look like a wave. It's pretty neat. I made a Slipknot video showing you how magnetism is psychic.